I got you, girl, and you got me. Diamond rings for you, 1, 2, 3. Don't tell you why.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you this makeup look right here. So basically I'm going to show you this dramatic black bold smoky eye look. It's very simple. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please continue watching. So today I'm going to show you dramatic black smoky eyes with just 3 products and with 3 simple steps. So the first product that you need is a concealer. It could be any concealer that you use on your regular basis. So I am taking this Stars Cosmetics concealer, and then you need a kajal pencil. It could be waterproof or maybe non-waterproof, anything would work. And then eyeshadow palette with black color, so to set the kajal. So it's very simple, very easy, it's very quick as well. So let's get started. So first I'm going to apply my concealer, and this one's from Stars Cosmetics. This is my skin tone concealer, so I'm going to use that. So I'm taking some amount on my finger and I'm going to apply with my finger only and blend it nicely. The reason to apply concealer, as I said in my earlier video as well, is to enhance the colors or the eyeshadows, the pigments that you apply on your eyes or maybe on your lips. So always use concealer before applying lipstick or before applying any sort of eyeshadow. So now I'm going to take my Lotus color stick kajal. This one's from Lotus Herbals, and now I'm going to apply that. So I'm not going to take it out like as a wing. I'm just going to concentrate on my lid itself. I'm just going to do it until here. I'm not going to smudge it out more because sometimes it doesn't look really good.
You, girl, and you got me. Diamond rings for you, 1, 2, 3. Don't tell you why. 'Cause I got you, girl, and you got me. You back it up for me, a real home run.
So just make a line in your crease, and then you can fill it in and then start blending it out.
Take me there. Let down that wild pig. I could always tell that you were right or die. Give you all the world, I spoil you 'cause you're mine. Living proof, how honest, I'll give you my Rolex. I could never tell you, baby, I could never tell you no. I got you, girl, and you got.
So now I'm going to take a brush like this. It's a spongy brush. It's there's a little sponge on the brush, and I'm just going to pull my eye like this and then start blending the black shade.
Little black dress down around your shoulders. Had a bit too much, I think you know though. I'll call you a bad girl, you move like a dancer.
And now I'm going to take my Nika K New York palette with 23 perfect shades, and I'm going to take this black color and just dab it on my eyelid.
No, I got you, girl, and you got me. Diamond rings for you, 1, 2, 3. Don't tell you why. 'Cause I got you, girl, and you got me.
So after I'm done applying the black eyeshadow, I'm going to curl my lashes, and then I'm going to apply my mascara.
I got you, girl, and you got me. Diamond rings for you, 1, 2, 3. Don't tell you why.
And now I'm going to apply the same Lotus kajal on my lower lash line as well, and my waterline.
My dreams out in the weekend sun. Throw back that 40, Hennessy pouring right. Fantasy, take me there. Let down that wild pain. I could always tell that you were ride or die.
So this is how it looks. Now I'll quickly do my left eye and I'll be right back.
Proof how honest I'll give you my Rolex. I could never tell you, baby, I could never tell you no. I got you good and you got me. Diamond rings for you, 1, 2, 3. Don't tell you why. 'Cause I got you good and you got me. Look at me, I'll take you every photo. Little black dress down in your shoulders.
So guys, this was the final result. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that this video was helpful. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notification so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social media, so links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
I got you good and you got me.